Abusia wahara everywhere. Kwabena hulete the Ghana Police Service, Ghana Prison Service, any Attorney General akogina sembibia. Our court say court any an amount of 99 billion old Ghana cedis. Enfum ko fuko miensa we ho. Enfama no, enfam patano. Ewo kwambone so ankofo miensa we efa so. Edini tu mu emfinhia nson 7 years. Abra wonye bone bia, bomu hwenyame anim edini tu mu 7 years. In this particular video no, let me boase. Na ma kyerɛkyerɛm ama ohu asɛm no si yankasa ɛde bɛkwa no yɛ a nkɔfo timi ne kwabena hulete ɛkɔtum mu ana ne lawsuit on the bias no ɛnneɛma a o demand an amount of demand ne breakdown na so nya ntiaseɛ aha yi Penyah block media mesra sɛ ne die mu obɛ like video no ada ma subscribe button subscribe the notification icon of latest updates na ba kyerɛ wa adwen de ama me ɛwɔ comment section mesra sɛ ɔba so a na hyɛ video mo so enya bi ahwɛ kwabena hulete ɛwɔ isi road kura aturu ndi nankɛse ɛwɔ sɛ ɔteɛ ɛne ne yere wawale ewo mamiensa na one ne yere ebobra asemi estati 2015 let's say twana NDC mahama etia konyanso na saka ne fie ba kuna ne fie aka mfie ba nyansa ne fie nan aso ami akwa abatom ana adewe esiye na say ne lawyer oje na chi eye legal practitioner Oliver Barker Vomawo what say Oliver Barker unu pay ye one of the NDC's legal practitioners a woni adwuma woni nwoma eni mode I say oja can fail page kwala s the obo previous government obo the cheap pay back to back obo ma cheap obo ma cheap pay legal practitioner policy and the class with the big movie that what I say. Now let's go into the story. As in 2015 abra kwabena hulite wawale ewo mamiensa yes BBC mo ne yere entem ete kakra what I say. Ento yesa ke ne wo hu ne family friend's daughter a one community our community no akuapem adults I want to say that the family friend's daughter no na omu ewo eno zo ke lady no hia me fe na girl so 19 years in the be me ko wada no it okohu abusuafo eze na obey the customary marriage no as a fie de no oba abeye na se bibia no every ehon abusuafo no tum se no dela hunike ya peso be wale kon oba friend dela hunike peso be wale kon our condition our chronic disease I say ya born ho ka tin kwa no obey kwa no ebebo na nya bia kakra wo botomu de because oba no oyare as obefa na ka ana be born no just me yakuani na mum no odokodo wo eti no me ma famu de abetimi e de abo eti kwabena ejeto no so na say abrembre nyina no on the say wale be baso no na ode the la eco hospital on many occasions there's no hospital who do be ebi adults hospital na ewo eastern region kuapem adults or no koye or side person call Mampon hospital or no call Tinkon hospital and side no call Kofori Roman Catholic hospital just say wa bon ho ka pay yi ana nyina opese okon yare na ha de la no if say opese or no beka or wale no e no beka na yire ba akoko ni panyin die sebe o ma ni je mafie kakra no na twa so despite on normal miensa no still enije eni awale no kakra no twa so ntina de opefo for aka no ho ena ne o yebia ntina o provide financial support eba na yire na pomuden ho a sire be ya na yire no eho beto no na watimi awade no edna kofi ko ompese awade achi no na eho no be o David obese awade achi no ya oda won point no ompese bibia everybody. So after discussion with Hunike's family, they agreed to delay additional hospital visit until Hulite could sell farm produce for fun. They said it was a time one. Kwabena Hulite ebe call from Gakra going to Kuyume and Sikabia hidden with Kuyani, Sikabia children giddy. What I say, it no. Nasa no abedwa to name the fankas okay, the Munya Botega Kramame. We say I'm not going to hospital and now the condition as a surprise Kakra. Either better or Tramon chain. What I say, the best Munya Botega Kramame. Na no me focus on enwuma na ne me mfuni na me focus na metimi etonton kakra na discuss aba me nsem o masa beto aso ahwe na we have also boni bia no tell ma ne ngo wo ko e dia ono aho na wo boka fathers ade ye ntina wo bo ho ka beso beto eni go to them tinu ye ma ne ngo aho boni bia no so for no ya ti ase boni bia eni ho enti emu a ana se fofi antwata de la hu ni kei okowu ye na dela wu ya no ene ne asem ko abuafo no ko ye case ese dabi omode hie omne wo nete omne wo dela enete wa hie abuafo no bo se obehwe na ma ne ho aton o ma bone bia is ko abuafo nche na onwu omu krakra ba obeje no se opese odne kwotena na se he ko abuafo sell out cause already nanka kwabena de neba ana nka so no dabi manual because already una wo hwe no una wo bo no hoka wo person wallet manual but owu ye no ebuja fra ba boss akoye case e say dey o dey bi kwabena wo ho no etu owu dia bra betirim bra betirim no koye case na police for be fa kwabena edin koye without any trace of evidence without anything o me fa no koye but later koye pop after say even the lahu ni ke kura no yade ekun pneumonia but still let the phone there omo eso mo mfa ho wonya be wu ada dem ne there omo enhwemu eti asem din kan call Mampon District Court you know say omo remand kwabena hulete e wo ho no in 2015 and omo remand no as na investigations e cost na there then see na asem won nsem no say oye enhwemu ene da ana ye to abai se be wura 2016 still na ye say see the corner omo ana wo in office call police for there about once and some no omo ana e wo ho no e ye adwuma 2016 so eba yi na say omo eto so court ordered his release due to the failure of state prosecutors and the police to bring a case against him. Eti ekoye no 2016 ana court share say man police court na share say oh there be asem na bada hatch from 2015 to 16 ene munya no say muni case bia asem ba yi obi antimi fa any evidence bia my say what I say esi yakwa on the kun no anase eyedai obi antimi eno ase wo custody ha na da bia ye detain no eje da munya no na onko because Ekasimo in 2016. However, instead of being granted his freedom, Hulete was inexplicably returned to Kofodia prison by a police officer with no legal basis. Eti Mamponte's court Eshe said, Yenya Kwabena Hulete manin fan because obi any case against him. No. Police near no the neighbor. See the near no the neighbor. And for whom condemned the neighbor was share Kofodia prison. Court as I say ye ma wo freedom but see the near the neighbor feel e fa ho nwa the person ko share Kofodia prison e ho na unia e abra woni case bia against him ni case bia with no legal basis or the ko share ho. He remained for 5 more years abandoned by the system until the Justice for All program secured his release in 2022. Let's say hono so no o ma ni ko dem for 5 good years e wo ho. Court actually see enya no but said you need the neighbor no but na kwatwere abai kokum e ko for the prison with no case against him or na question e ma hono ko dem 5 years 5 good years and I say so the 7 years behind bars left Hulete broken. They say 7 years man ko dem according to no a man be ball form according to his lawyers. Now he battles severe lower back pain, muscle and bone ailments, hearing loss in his right ear, vision deterioration, and cognitive issues, including memory loss and confusion, all exacerbated by prison conditions and medical neglect. No, according to the lawyers, no, say, "Enfianso na yeso ma ne demu for free without any case against him." No, enye is so born one so the dikai ama ye say na chikase sei ehye ne ya ne muscles ni ntini mu etwetwe no ni no mpemu chese wotini wiem say etwi ne wiem e mo kasa kra na so ni fa no say ontia Jesus to be kom no so tropa wo je ne self just so tropa na so ni fa no entia asem ya ma na adwene kro onya cognitive issues including memory loss say adwene no kra no ntimi nka na emaye o kasa no hoye nim to kwabna ni mi no mwani mi ni o hoye nim to what I say according to them no ni nyina ye chia and I said that kwambon so mfa so ma ni dem e was self and cost all this to him. And in that particular post now the lawyer Emikian say no kan asem no Hulete was held in Kofodia prison for 7 years for killing someone when the person died from pneumonia. He was not even there when the person died. According to the lawyer, James said, on my account, Hulete was in prison, Kofodia, for 7 years. According to them, they said, well, Kunipa. But as I'm going to see, Nipa wena kwana Hulete woni ho. Nipa wena Hulete kwana eni around say, well, Kunipa. The court struck out the matter, but he was still kept in custody for 7 years because the CID just left him there inside. What I say? Court crash see enya but still almost chinchin atwan. Ade o ndie. Wa Kunipa. Emma aduwe no enye nso so bone say onzo chirechire mu what I say and he's lost contact with his family He said during his detention, his sister, who relied on him financially, suffered a mental breakdown. Just any sister cry na who let take kwabna na ehwere no. Ni za te said kwabna kwatum no. E ma nyanza so na adwene mu. What I say? His mother died without his knowledge. Ne maame kura wuye. Kwabna who let maame wuye. Abra kwabna kura ntin wasem, and he's lost contact with his daughter and grandchildren. I was saying just say oh mama yensa. Is any yadno kwatuna say on tinema so enkabium. The collapse of his marriage and family ties deepened his sense of loss, leaving him with immeasurable emotional pain and deep psychological trauma, according to the lawsuit. That's it. When is one of the lawyers the lawsuit no more against Ghana Police Service, Ghana Prison Service, and the Attorney General. I had no member boss was Ghana or more 9.9 million Ghana 99 billion. The lawsuit demands 9.9 million Ghana cedis, including 500,000 Ghana cedis for violating Hulete's liberty and fair trial rights. Omo 5 billion. I no say ni liberty. Any people right of liberty. So we do omo abusing that right of liberty. Entienne and no omo Ghana Police Service, Ghana Prison Service, anything omo 5 billion. 2, 500,000 Ghana cedis for physical and psychological suffering. There's a man called that says no mono asitremu onya piko tell say wonya back pain. What I say any other age a suffering and adwum so onya adwum how ni nyina ye suffering age for that suffering no omu beje and also 5 billion. What come on abia 10 billion. What I say 2 million Ghana cedis for permanent health issues. Omu 20 billion for permanent health issues. That's when your memory loss, back pain, bone ailments, any other 8 no. Omu kambo mu omu beje enu no hu sika 20 billion for permanent health issues. Se bia okonya problem bia or the sika bi ebehwe no ho yahwe. What I say 500,000 Ghana cedis for emotional trauma. Okohie mu no areho ehye no so emotionally no obubu. What I say onya boni bia adwene mu hawo ni ade kura bia hawo enya sem kwenti eno no ho no omo 5 billion or the guys that were coming out about 35 billion. What I say 3 million Ghana cedis for lost livelihood. All them go say no omami ewu ye onu ne ehwefie ne abusia ne sister kura so efa ho benya memory breakdown. Needs to be a problem on that. Ain't eno ho no omami woni sister condition nyina ne adade nyina oje Ghana Police Service, Ghana Prison Service any attention no 30 billion ewo eho. 1 million Ghana cedis for his marriage dissolution. Me trust no din kan wale ewo mamiensa ba wale na se konkon ho ne ade wu ye condemn kra ne wu ye den te enya tete bare konkon no se obi wale bia kan se ko ba panyin besesa. But because of that no panyin no okọ ko so wale be mo kunipa de ontimi ne ntina edi panyin ne janje ne awale na o ma hwa mo ne jan and so obeje 10 billion. Masa sika agwa ne bodi da no odi obeje 10 billion. What I say 1 million Ghana cedis for separation from his daughter and grandchildren. They say oh wana nanu wo fa se esa wo ma enjane se bia mfie nsum a ohun ne ba biada yedite no ohun ne ba biada hu nananu biada de ene no so no obeje 10 billion to compensate himself. And then 1 million Ghana cedis for severed family ties. What I say ebusia na busia owo mu mama busia ne kwa tete apans busia na jija ebusia na jija onu nko mechi wotum te busia na jija ene ho no obeje mo 10 billion. And the last on the list 400,000 Ghana cedis for legal fees. Me see that was see mu nyina ehombo eso 4 billion. Edu kan nyina bomu a sika no emeki an amount of 9.9 million new Ghana cedis got this kan mu a 99 billion ana kwabna hulite. Any lawyer Oliver Barker Vomawo urge every Ghana Police Service, Ghana Prison Service, any the Attorney General eho ede ama kwabna. Number 4 be say asemi kran started 2015. NDC time Oliver so NDC legal practitioner. E number 4 be say sika we pa na Oliver or expect free. And this current no more because as it started 2015, everybody 2016. What I say in 2015 started here. Everybody 2016, and as na kele 2022. But we see there be a few months here. I was still etua. It is about for just yes, carry na word. Or Jeffrey, this current administration here, this current Attorney General, this current Ghana Police Service with IGP, or and this current Ghana Police Service, and what would this current free? And that's the previous government. We have a question amount for Ebisa Mountain. So, I want your mama, comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media.